Okay, here we go. So this is what it will look like on the front. Okay, so just to kind of get a look at it. Okay, but where we're going to go, because we want to look at your essential rewards. So you go up to my account, my subscriptions. Okay, and so we're just going to play around with this a little bit. We were playing around with it, Ange and I,
Well,
yesterday.
I want to just point out, we love that you can see April, May, June, July,
Yeah.
and August. You could even do show all and you could see them all up there so that it becomes kind of a checkerboard, right? Of like each month and sort of making a plan, especially if you're talking about a ditch and switch in 90 days, you can look at April, May, and June and help people set that up right there in front of them instead of them having to remember, oh, when I update next month's order, I'll throw this in. So Andrea, show us how that's done. Because I love the heading there. That's so super simple to see.
So basically you can come in and you can add things to this order. We're just going to play around. Here's some stuff that I threw in here. So if you decide, okay, so this is showing on my April order, but I really actually don't want the lavender bath and shower gel this month. I would like it next month though. I'm just going to come over here to skip. Okay, so that's going to keep it on for next month. All right, then I can go, oh, the Copaiba vanilla shampoo. Okay, my frequency on that's every other month, but I'm realizing I'm not going through it every month, so I'm going to change that to every 3 months. All right, and then RC. Now I want to change that to every 2 months. Okay. Every month. Okay, so I can just go through, but now I want to show you that I skipped this. So this should show up when we go to the next month. So we're in April right now. When I go to May, this should show up, okay? And this one, because I did every 3 months, when I go to May, the Copaiba should not show up and it should not show up in June, but it should show up in July. Okay, so I just want to show you these different things. And then RC, since I'm doing every 2 months, it's showing up now, but it should not show up next month. So let's go and look. Oh, look, the lavender bath gel is there, okay? But the other 2 are not there because I skipped both of them. The RC and the what? What was the other one? The Copaiba. Okay, but if I go to June, oh, look, the RC's there because I had done every other month on that. But the Copaiba is still not there because I had chosen every 3rd month. But if I go to July, the Copaiba's back, okay? So that's...
Ooh.
So, and then I can just use this search feature up here to throw in more stuff that I want. And then that will add it here. So that's as far as I have gotten now on like learning all of the things, but it seems pretty.
I will say over on the right-hand side, the order summary. So with all of this skipping and, choosing every other month or however you're going to set it up, your order summary is right there at the very top of the screen. There's no scrolling to the bottom to see if you're almost at your promo levels, right? It shows you right there your subscription savings, your monthly PV, your loyalty points that are earned on this particular order, and then what your total dollars is. So you can also donate again, like we've been doing, rounding up to the Young Living Foundation. You can change your processing day right there. Super, super easy to access that information.